Are you looking for a reliable deep cycle battery for your RV, solar setup, or off-grid system? In this review, we take a close look at the WEIZE 12V 100Ah deep cycle battery, a popular choice among campers, boaters, and solar enthusiasts. First, let's talk about its build quality. This battery is a sealed lead-acid SLA type, which means it's maintenance-free and spill-proof. That's a huge plus if you're using it in a moving vehicle or a cabin where you don't want to deal with acid leaks. The dimensions are 12.99 by 6.73 by 8.43 inches, making it a direct replacement for other group size 31 batteries like the UB121000 or Renogy 100Ah. The terminals are clearly marked. Left is positive, red, right is negative, black, and screws are included for easy installation. Now, performance. With 100 amp hours of capacity and a maximum discharge current of 150 amps, this battery can handle heavy loads like trolling motors, inverters, or medical equipment. Its self-discharge rate is only 3% per month, so it holds charge well during storage. It's perfect for deep cycle applications like RV house batteries, solar energy storage, marine use, golf carts, and even as a backup for UPS systems. Compared to AGM or lithium batteries, this SLA option is more affordable and offers good value for money. One thing to note, it's fairly heavy at around 60 pounds, so make sure your mounting setup can support the weight. Also, ensure you have proper ventilation if used indoors. Overall, the WEIZE 12V 100Ah deep cycle battery is a solid workhorse that delivers reliable power for a wide range of applications. If you need a cost-effective battery that just works, this is a great pick.